In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change default settings on your Google Forms. So for polls, quizzes, or just general forms, if you want to enable collection of emails by default or required emails in order to submit the form, or maybe you just want to change the questions if you want to have them set as optional or mandatory for everything to be filled out. I'm going to show you guys how to make those modifications. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So just go ahead and open up your form and select the settings button up at the top. And then over here, if you scroll down underneath defaults, you can adjust the form defaults by clicking the drop down. And where it says collect email addresses by default, if you click the drop down, you can select do not collect emails, only verified, so they have to have a Google account to sign in order to submit the form, or responder input that they'd have to go ahead and just input any email address in. And then you can also adjust the question defaults here by clicking that drop down. If you want to require all questions to be completed in order to submit the form, you can toggle that to the right to enable or to the left to toggle that to the off position. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.